I am Minnie Mouse. And hello, I am Woodpecker. Let's go what's food. Sonic driving? That was a great idea, Mickey Mouse. Let's go. Now, Dad, I said I want a quarter pound double cheeseburger. Jumbo popcorn plus small jumbo popcorn chicken. American hot dog and crab slush and slushes and crab slush right now, right as assistant. The Kiko Miosa. I said the first costing $10, and I told you for this cost in the $5.02, which means I got for $5.08 short. I said cost in $10, and I told you of the cost in the $6.05, which means I got for, and I told you for cost $8.05, which means I got for $2.05 short. So I have an American hot dog, honey BBQ jumbo. So getting the meal. So getting honey BBQ sauce, chop or popcorn chicken, and then a hot dog, and blue raspberry slush, which costs in the $5.02. Now look, everyone is staring at us because of you. Dad, I said I want to quarter pound double cheeseburger, small jumbo popcorn chicken, American hot dog, and a crab slush right now. Gimme the right foot right breaking for right now. Dog giggle meows. Stop it. That really is. We'll go home right now and not to get anything to eat in the Sonic driving. Look around 1,470 years. Instead of being in a room, and they're gonna sleep outside forever. Dad. Please give me one more chance. I'll be good. I will behave. Gee, what's wrong about dog giggle meows from these days? I don't know. But at least we're next. Hi, welcome to Sonic Driving. Can I take an order, please? I'm not by all. I'm not by the chicken dog, aka all American dog. A 5-piece chicken dinner, another wing, and a medium coke. And I forgot by 2 small jumbo popcorn chicken. A medium coke and crab slush, please. There you go. That will be half in the $12.10. Here you go. And here's money. Thanks. I need your change. Thanks. You're welcome. Thanks for choosing us for Sonic Driving. Have a nice day. No, I don't eat it in a Sonic Driving. We are having Sonic Driving. We are out eating. No. I want having Subway. No, Doc Oster. We are not having a Subway. We are having the Sonic Driving right now when I eat it. And because of watching the Mickey Mouse and Woodpecker from the Sonic Driving, all also we're going home. And they're going upstairs a room to what we want. You know what? That's it. I'll trash this place. Dog Bowser, how dare you destroy at the Sonic Drive-In restaurant? That's it. You're grounded forever. Let's go home right now. When we get home, you'll be going upstairs to the room. Man, Dog Bowser was spoiled brat. I know. Dog Bowser is troublemaker because of spoiled brat. And because Dog Bowser misbehaved at Sonic Drive-In. Alright. The Dog Bowser trouble is gone. Now let's go on to continue for eating. Yes, of course. Wow. That was so delicious of the Sonic Drive-In. Yes, it is. Right? So, wanna go to have the AMC movie theater? That's perfect idea. Woodpecker. Let's go movie. Dog Cooper, I really mad at you. How do you watch another rated R? How do you watch the movie 1917? You're supposed to watch this movie rated G, PG, and PG-13. And I told you how not this rated R and NC-17. Not really. Let's go home right now. And when you get there, you'll be going upstairs alone and go to bed forever. Hello. Welcome to the AMC movie theater. Would you like the movie for the order? I would like 2 tickets seeing the Lego movie. And I would like the bottle popcorn, and the Coke. And I would like the salted bottle popcorn, nachos, water, and a Coke as well. Okay, there you go. Enjoy the movie. Thanks. 2 hours and 5 minutes later. Wow, that was awesome movie. So am I, Mickey Mouse. So, let's go home. Watching TV. That's a good idea. Let's go home with them.
Coming up next, more The Amazing World of Gumball on Cartoon Network.
Wow, that was a great show. I like Cartoon Network. It's called The Amazing World of Gumball. It's my #1 favorite show forever next to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I agree. That's my #1 favorite show.